Erica Benton's life changed in 2021 when she lost part of her foot as a result of a rare complication from surgery.
My foot literally fell off during a wound care at home. It was kind of challenging and a little, difficult to make the transition because I did not see this for myself at all.
She was in need of transitional help while adjusting to life as a partial amputee.
The challenge is, being able to take a shower. Are you able to go out on the yard and do some gardening and go to the mailbox? Things like that. It's still a challenge.
She was able to find a wealth of resources in Lee Health's free amputee group classes.
It was just wonderful. There's just an unspoken understanding with us in the group. We know what the other person's going through. The people in the group have gone through exactly the same thing as you.
Benton says people will adjust to limb loss on their own timescale, and that's okay. Staying active and surrounding yourself with a supportive community can help with that transition.
Take a step back. Okay, you're not alone in this in any form or fashion. It has happened to others.
For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.